An ode to teachers. Another school year's come and gone, and soon you will be free to rest your pen, your teacher's voice. You've time to simply be. Sometimes you wonder how you even made it through the year. You had it sussed, you'd planned your term, then brand new rules appeared. But please don't be discouraged, and please don't ever quit. 30 hearts and minds you've shaped, and that's not all, I'll bet. There'll be some who've been shown kindness when there's not much shown at home. There'll be those you've helped to reach their goals and spurred them on to more. To some you'll be a hero, making learning so much fun. They never thought they'd grasp those bits, but you showed them how it's done. So when you wonder why you give so much to such a calling, be assured you've given wings to children's dreams with all that learning. When times are tough, when politics can drive you to despair, remember all the good you've done, the passion that you've shared. League tables may not always show the time you have invested, but dwell instead on other ways your work can be attested. Like thinking of the kids who'll say you really are the best, despite when homework time comes around or you're handing out a test. And as you close the classroom door on one more year that's passed, you've taught, you've cared, you've nurtured, made impressions that will last far beyond their years of learning as they strike out on their own till they're walking their own children down the path towards a school.